Whoever has ears to hear, let them hear. Get comfortable and listen. 8 psychological rules. Remember them. By the end of this, you'll think differently about every difficult conversation you've ever had. Rule 1. Stay calm during provocations. They want your reaction. They need it. Your anger is their fuel. Your frustration is their victory. So don't give it. Breathe. Slow down. Let them scream. Let them perform. While they lose control, you keep yours. And the person who keeps control always wins. Psychological insight. Manipulators use something called reactive abuse. They provoke you until you explode. Then they point at your explosion and say, "See? You're the problem." Your calmness removes their evidence. Rule 2. Stop explaining. Say the truth once. That's enough. The more you explain, the more they twist. The more you justify, the more they find holes. I've told you my position. Full stop. No elaboration. No defense. Your silence after the truth is louder than their noise. Rule 3. Say no, without excuses, without justification, without a story. No, that's the whole sentence. Not no, because, not no, I'm sorry but, just no. Psychological insight. Every excuse you add is a door they can push open. Because I'm busy becomes then when are you free? No has no doors. It's a wall. Build it. Rule 4. Pause. Before you answer, before you react, before you commit. 2 seconds, a breath, eye contact, then respond. That pause shows control. It shows you're not emotionally hijacked. It shows you choose your words instead of them choosing for you. In a world of instant reactions, the person who pauses owns the room. Psychological insight. This is called response latency. The gap between stimulus and reaction is where free will actually lives. Manipulators are counting on you skipping it. The pause is the one move they can't script for. If this is helping, hit subscribe now. You don't want to miss what comes next. Rule 5. Name it. Your emotions. Out loud. I'm angry right now. I'm uncomfortable with this. I'm not okay with how you're speaking to me. Once you name an emotion, it stops controlling you. It becomes a fact, not a weapon. And facts can't be used against you the way raw feelings can. Psychological insight. This is called emotional labeling. Neuroscience shows that naming an emotion reduces amygdala activity by up to 50%. You literally calm your own brain by saying what you feel. This one is backed by actual neuroscience. Stay with me. It gets sharper from here. Rule 6. Replace. Sorry with thank you. Not sorry I'm late. Thank you for waiting. Not sorry I disagree. Thank you for your perspective. See the shift? Sorry puts you below them. Thank you puts you beside them or above them. Stop apologizing for existing. Start acknowledging with strength. Psychological insight. Chronic apologizing is a documented submission signal. It's called over-apologizing behavior in social psychology, and it quietly trains people to see you as lower status by default. Reframing the same moment as gratitude keeps you level with them instead. Rule 7. Don't reveal everything. Every weakness you share is a weapon in the wrong hands. Your fears, your insecurities, your past wounds. Share them, but only with people who've earned the right to hold them, not with someone who collects ammunition. Psychological insight. Manipulators conduct something called vulnerability mining. They act caring so you'll open up. Then they use your openness against you. Guard your wounds. Not everyone who asks, "How are you really doing?" deserves the real answer. Rule 8. Stop seeking approval. When you crave someone's validation, you hand them the remote control to your self-worth. Your value doesn't depend on their opinion. Your choices don't need their applause. Your life isn't a performance for their audience. The moment you stop needing their approval, you become impossible to manipulate. Because manipulation only works on people who care what the manipulator thinks. Psychological insight. This is the exit point of what's called the approval-seeking loop. The more you chase external validation, the more power you hand away with every request for it. Breaking the loop isn't about caring less about people. It's about no longer needing their verdict on you. 8 rules. They don't make you cold. They make you sovereign. Save this. Use it. And remember, manipulators don't target strength. They target neediness. Drop a comment. Which rule do you need most right now? And if this reached you, subscribe. Every week, the Dark Mind Tales gives you the psychology they don't want you to know. Until next time, stay dangerous.